Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you can see, this one is gold. So gold, when I look at it, guys, you can see that it's at strong sell. So we're gonna take this trade right now, and let's see how much we're gonna make from this trade. You know the strategy, guys. You know the strategy doesn't lie. Huh? The strategy doesn't lie when you know how to use it in a proper way. So I'm gonna take this trade. You know. Okay, cool. So as you can see, guys, we already take the trade, and now we will be waiting. As you can see here, the strategy says that it's strong sell, so we don't want to miss this out, especially when I switch on 15 minutes. As you can see here, on 15 minutes, which means 15 minutes we have sniper and the quickly profit. As you can see, we have sniper and quickly profit, which means this is what we have from here. So the market is, it might shoot all the way to here, to this point right here, very quick, which is going to happen like this, you see that, so this is what I'm expecting by now. As you can see, we're getting to the profit, guys. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, we're getting to the profit. So the strategy, guys, doesn't lie. Just believe in the strategy and make sure you use it in a correct way. Yeah, the reason why I'm taking the trade is that you can see that we have confirmation candlestick around this area right here. The market's been trying to break out around this area but couldn't, and then it gave us some beautiful candlestick that says that it's time to enter the market because it's strong sell. And if we look at the if we look at the moving average over here, you can see that RSI said that it's time to get in to the market as well. So that's the reason why I'm taking the trade. So I'm 98% that I'm gonna win this trade. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you already know. So yeah, man, let's wait and see how the market will play out. So the other thing which I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my stop loss. I'm gonna put my stop loss and my take profit, and then I'll focus on other markets. So see you soon. What's going on, gang? It's your boy Sniper, guys. So as you can see here, guys, we got XXUSD. So I want to show you guys the reason why I took this trade right here. As we speak, guys, look at this. We already in 20% of the profit. So look, the reason why I took this trade, guys, as you can see here, touch 1, touch 2. This is the reason why, guys, I always recommend you to when the strategy shows you that it's time to set the currency, you can also go to the chart and make sure that it's really is a time to sell. As you can see here, I've got touch 1, touch 2, touch 3 to the support, which is on downtrend. The strategy also says that it's time to sell the currency. That's why I was like, yo, I'm 98% to win the trade. 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. This is the reason why I took the trade. You can see the analysis was just simple. The only thing you pay attention at is the trend of the market. So peace out, man. Make sure you join the free Telegram group for more education like this. So to join the free Telegram group, make sure you check the link on description below. Yeah, we're back again, guys. We're back again. So as you can see that we already entered the profit. As you can see here, this is our stop loss over here. And as you can see over here, we already entered a beautiful profit, man, which is good. So let me show you the the take profit as well. Take profit. Okay, so the take profit, guys, as I said, I'm gonna swing this trade, guys, all the way to to the point right here. This is gonna be quick, get in and get out. Francais, get in and get out. So it's not really scalping, because scalping, you only scalp $5 and 5 pips. This is not really scalping, but it's all about counting your risk. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see that at this trade, my risk was 1 to 2, 1/2. As you can see, guys, it's going crazy, guys. As you can see that we're killing that. As you can see here, we're killing that, guys. So man, as I said, guys, the strategy is really fire. You know what I'm saying? You know, all we need, the strategy is already outside. It's already outside, so you can get it whatever you are. All you need is to check my previous video, like first video, like two videos back. You're gonna find the video that explain about this strategy right here. I already give it out, you know what I'm saying? So go get it, go use it, and make sure you join the free Telegram group if you want to join my community. Let's make this man together, man. That's how it works, guys. So I'll come back, guys, to show you as soon as we hit the TP. And what's up, gang? What's up, gang? What's up, gang? What's up, gang? It's getting crazy, guys. It's getting crazy. It's getting crazy, guys. It's getting crazy. Look what I said, guys. Look what I said. You see what I said? Let me show you. Look at what I said, guys. This is what I said, guys. Yo, man, I think it's getting crazy. Very crazy. You know what I'm saying? So look at the strategy, guys. Look what I said, guys, about the strategy. I told you guys that I'm gonna get out around this area right here. If I'm saying, as I said that I'm gonna get out around this area right here. Let me show you. Yeah, I'm gonna get out right here. As soon as the market reach this part, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. You feel what I'm saying? So as you can see, yeah, that's how it is. You can see my stop loss right there. You feel what I'm saying? So now I just gonna be watching the market, because I wanna close this market manual. You feel what I'm saying? I wanna close this market manual. Yes, sir. So this is quick pips, guys. Very quick pips. I love this strategy. You know, and the other thing is, when you are using this strategy, you can also be tracking the market. As soon as the market, the strategy showed you as soon as the market showed you the signal, you can also track the signal through the chart. You look at the chart, you look at the strategy, and then once these two of them, they showed you the same thing, then you jump in the market. Look at this. We're killing it, guys. We're killing. No, I'm not gonna lie, we're killing it. France. So like, I just wanna do this, guys. I just wanna do this today. You know, I wanna catch, you know, these small peeps. Yeah, I wanna see, man. I wanna see how it goes. I wanna catch these small peeps. Like, now I'm done. I'm gonna find another trade type shit, quickly peeps, and I'm done. Another trade, but at all time, make sure that you don't lose more than you were gonna win. You don't lose more than you were gonna win. You know what I'm saying? If you take a risk of 10 pips, make sure you're going to make 30 pips in the same trade. If I say, so look at this. It's going crazy, guys, and it's a good time. If I say, so yeah, man, that's how the trade was. Went to, like, in less than 1 hour. In less than 1 hour, all you need is to understand, bro, like, your favorite session that you're going to be trading with, then you're ready to go. France. So peace out, man. I hope you enjoy this. So make sure you join the free Telegram group and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you follow me on Instagram as FX Juba Snipe. FX Juba Snipe on Instagram. Yes, sir. And use the best broker, of course. The link is, I will leave the link for the best broker on description below. If France say so, peace out. So you can see we got in from here all the way to the point over here. Look at this. It's fucking crazy, dog. Damn, bro, in less than 1 hour. Less than 1 hour. So guys, when I say this, the strategy, it's a reliable strategy, guys. I'm not gonna lie. The strategy, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. Strategy is crazy, guys. You know what I'm saying? So I'm already out. You feel what I'm saying? I'm already out. You feel what I'm saying? So I mean, I'm gonna take my profit right now as we speak. I'm gonna take my profit because I won't keep waiting. Listen, this is what you need, right? You can see that the reason why I'm getting out is this. Because as soon as the market is gonna reach here, it's gonna bounce back, bro. It's gonna shoot back like this. As soon as the market is gonna reach here, it's gonna shoot back like this. So for me to be safe, so I already, you know, the market already reached the previous lower low. So it's time for me to get out of the market. I'm gonna take my TP, I'm gonna take my profit, and I'm gonna focus on new trades. If you want to say, take my profit and focus on new trade. If you want to say, as I said, guys, I want to catch this kind of trades. Like, I want to see how it goes, because I've missed trading this way. You know, I've missed trading this way. All right, so done. So now I'll be waiting. As soon as the market reach here, I'm gonna focus on buying opportunity around this area all the way to this point over here. The strategy, guys, is crazy, and it's a sniper, bro, when you know how to use it in a proper way. Yeah, man, peace out.